everybody, I'm Miss Christina, and I'd like to welcome you to another one of Harris County Precinct One's Critter Corner Spotlights. In today's video, we're going to be meeting yet another amazing animal ambassador, but I want to see if you can guess what kind of animal she is first. I'll give you a hint. She carries her home with her wherever she goes, and she's going to be quite large one day. Do you think you know what she is? Well, if you guessed turtle, you'd be right. This is an African spur-thighed tortoise, also sometimes called the African sulcata. Now notice that I said she's a tortoise, but I also said she's a turtle. Those two terms get used interchangeably a lot, but there are distinct differences between the two. Something to remember is that all tortoises are turtles, but not all turtles are tortoises. A tortoise is a term used to describe a type of turtle that is found in environments where water is not readily available, meaning that they have to get most of their water from what they eat. Now, the African sulcata tortoise is found living along the southern edge of the Saharan desert down in Africa. They are the third largest tortoise species in the world, with the Galapagos and Aldabra tortoises taking first and second place in the size competition. When fully grown, their shells can grow to be 33 inches long, and they can weigh over 200 pounds. That's pretty big. They're also a very long-lived animal. Sulcatas can live anywhere from 70 to 100 years. This sulcata here is only 2.5 years old. Now, sulcatas are herbivorous, which means that they love to eat plants. In the deserts, they'll eat mostly grasses, but they'll also munch on flowers, leaves, and cactus pads if they can find them. Now, deserts can also be quite hot, so these tortoises have to be smart about how they cool off. So, guess what? They are phenomenal diggers. They can dig burrows 10 to 20 feet deep and 2 to 3 feet wide. That's pretty impressive. And not only do these animals live in really tough places, but they themselves are extremely tough, literally. They have a very tough shell made of bone that protects their body, and when scared, they'll tuck their head, their feet, their tails inside their shell, and they'll use these front legs that are covered in these spur-like scales as shields to protect their heads from predators. All right, everybody, we hope you had fun learning about our friend the African sulcata today. If you liked today's video, feel free to hit the like button below, or you can subscribe to our channel in order to be notified of more of our naturalist videos. If you have questions, please feel free to contact me at christina.hartman@cp1.hctx.net. Until then, see you next time.